So guys, if you are not able to download any app from Google Chrome Web Store or Chrome is not running properly, just follow these 2 steps to fix the issue. Press Windows keys plus R button, type local app data and press enter. Now open the Google folder, then Chrome folder and rename the user data folder to user data old. Now open your Chrome browser again. Chrome will automatically create a fresh user data folder. Sign in with your credential and don't forget to sync your profile. Now check again. If still doesn't work, then proceed to the next step. Go to the top left corner of your browser right next to the website URL. This is the View Site Information button. Click on it. Now click Cookies and Site Data. Then select Manage On Device Site Data. After that, click Manage Site Data. This will open Chrome Site Data Settings. Scroll down to Not Allowed to Save Data on your device and check if myaccount.google.com or accounts.google.com and so on is listed there. If you see them blocked, click the 3 vertical dots next to each one and choose Allow. If you don't find these entries, scroll up to allow the save data on your device and manually add them like this. Close the browser completely and restart Chrome. That's it. The issue should be fixed immediately. Stay safe.